the V1 and V2, we will be able to calculate the the charge on an electron. Here you see Q can be taken as number of electrons into charge on one electron. Number of electrons into charge on one electron is equal to 6 pi eta divided by E into 9 divided by 2 eta V1 divided by rho minus sigma into G whole to the power half into V1 minus V2. Now what Millikan has done is he has conducted this experiment number of times and found that V1 and V2, V1 minus V2 becomes very minimum. When V1 minus V2 becomes minimum, N will be tending to 1. Thereby you will get the charge of an electron. And it was found that this part was the integral multiple of N. 1e, 2e, 3e, 100e, 4e. Other N was always an integral part. Using that relation, he was able to find out the expression for the electron. Not only using this, we got an expression for the charge of an electron, and we know the specific charge of an electron by Thomson's method. Okay, E we find using Millikan's ion drop experiment. E by m we do it using Thomson's method. When you divide one by the other, you will get E divided by m. E will get cancelled. Sorry. By doing this, you will be able to find out the mass of the electron also. E we found using Millikan's ion drop experiment, and E by m using Thomson's method. Now this get cancelled, m will go to the numerator, and when you divide one by the other, you will be able to get the mass of the electron also. Right? Okay, friends. What are all the various quantities that are involved in this expression? What is eta? What is eta? Coefficient of viscosity of air. Okay. What is rho? Density of oil. What is sigma? Density of air. Acceleration due to gravity. V1. Velocity of the what? Whose velocity it is? Yaar velocity it is? Yes. Whose velocity it is? Huh? Whose velocity it is? Velocity of? Online attend ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಂದು? Electric field is applied. V2 is the velocity of the drop when electric field is applied. These are the two velocities that you come across. Okay. Now this is what is the expression. Now let us try to solve two problems from our previous question papers. And Amrin madam has already sent the problems on WhatsApp. ನಾನು ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಡೇಟಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. She has already sent. But anyway, those who are present, let me read afterwards. You can write it down. All of you write the data. I am reading the problem. Okay? A charged oil drop of mass 9.75 into 10 raised to minus 15 kg. ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇದು? ಮಾಸ್. ಬರೀರಿ m is equal to. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ m ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ರೈಟ್? I repeat, a charged oil drop of mass 9.75 into 10 raised to minus 15 kg is suspended in a uniform magnetic field. Is suspended in a uniform magnetic field of 3 into 10 to the power 4. 3 into 10 raised to 4 volts per meter. 3 into 10 to the power 4 meter. So that it neither rises nor falls. So that it neither rises nor falls. Okay. Find the charge on the drop, also the number of electrons. Find the charge on the drop, and also those who have received the question on WhatsApp, it may be second question nimdu. Idu second question nimge. Avanu ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? Can you any of you tell me what I have to do? Here two plates. Okay, ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮೇಲದ್ದು, ಕೆಳಗಿಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್, and the drop is hanging. Drop is suspended between the two plates. Suspended between the two plates means what? The drop is neither going up nor it is going down. What does it mean? ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? The drop is stationary. Yes, it is stationary. It is stationary means what? It is stationary means what? The upward force, downward force becoming equal. Alva? Upward force is electric field into charge is the upward force, and downward force is mass into acceleration due to gravity. Upward force is due to the electric field, downward force is due to the gravitational field. Therefore, these two are equal. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ, ಎಂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಜಿ ಯು ನೋ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್.